Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. How y'all doing today? I've got another update of more keychains. This time they're kitty keychains. These first three, oh, they so remind me of like those little baby Yodas. But it's a cat with a little star symbol on its head. This big fire polished faceted rondelle right there, that was from a gift I got from one of my friends. They are so pretty. And then it's topped with this green spiral glass bead. I love those orange tiny little slit eyes. They're so cute. This one is regular green glitter with just a splash of a chunky green glitter with black resin. There you can see a little bit of the glitter. This one it's actually a really light green resin dye with this light green glitter that's got a little bit of chunkiness to it, and some fine glitters with the little yellow eyes. And then we have this one. Similar, this one is a kind of an olive gold green glitter. Same thing in the eyes. Really cute. There you go, glitter. And same thing with the giant fire polished faceted rondelle with the spiral green glass. And I'm sorry, this one has this textured pearl. I got a lot of these and they're so pretty. And again, it's a glass bead with the green swirl and a heart, a moon purse clip.